सर्व सद्गुण संपन्ना गीता भक्ति परायणा भवितुं जीवनेऽस्माकं जागृता बालका वयम् उत्थाने राष्ट्रधर्मस्य विज्ञान दृष्टिमाशिता विवेकानन्द मार्गेण वयं सर्वे समर्पिताः।
Friends, parents are a special God-gifted boon, which we receive without striving for it. And maybe that's the reason we don't value this boon the way we should value it. Our parents value even the smallest of the moments. They matter a lot to them.
Ayush, dear, can you please lower the volume? I'm having a very bad headache.
Mummy, why don't you rest in your room? I want to listen to my favorite songs.
Ayush!
Wow!
This boy, I tell you, just doesn't listen.
Pink floss, juicy sweet pink floss. Have the yummy sweet pink floss. Crispy, crispy, fresh, fresh. Very, very cheap pink floss. Come on, pink floss. Juicy sweet pink floss. Have the yummy, yummy sweet pink floss. Pink floss. Juicy sweet pink floss. Take pink floss.
How much is that for?
It's for 20 rupees.
Give me one.
Which one?
This one. Wow! Sugar candy!
Pink floss! Anyone pink floss? Anyone
Hey, listen!
pink?
How much is the sugar candy for?
You mean the pink floss?
Yes.
It's for 20 rupees.
Give me one. Here. What is your name?
Raju. And yours?
Ayush. Okay, bye.
Pink floss! Anyone pink floss? Pink floss! Anyone pink floss?
Raju! Wait, I'm coming!
Okay.
Dad!
1 minute, dear.
Please give me 20 rupees. I want to have sugar candy. Please, Dad, quickly. Please, come on.
Oh, Ayush. I have some work to finish. Ayush.
Thank you.
Where did Ayush disappear?
He has gone down to buy some sugar candy.
This boy, I tell you, he has become very stubborn.
Oh, come on, dear. He's just a kid.
Pink floss. Anyone pink floss?
Raju, please give me one sugar candy.
Sure, I'll give you.
Do you go to school?
School? No.
Then what do you do with this money? You eat pizzas and burgers, right?
No. I don't eat at all with this money. But yes, I do surely buy a bottle of medicine. After my mom has this medicine every night, she doesn't suffer from high fever.
Okay. Would you like to play cricket with us?
Cricket?
Yes.
No. I need to go ahead and sell all of these.
Okay, no problem. You carry on. Bye.
Sir, I've got the things you had ordered.
Okay, keep them inside.
Okay.
Hey, Roshni, please get the food. We are starving.
Yes, coming, dear. You may start. I'll join you in a minute.
Oh, wow. My favorite chapati. What a start to a day. Okay, Ayush. Come on, finish your meal.
No, Dad. I'm not hungry. You carry on.
My dear, eat your meal first. You can play your game later on.
Why don't you have them, Dad?
All right, I'll have it then. Ayush, can you give me a glass of water? Ayush, dear, please, give me some water.
Oh no, Dad! I lost the game just because of you. Mummy! Please give Dad some water. I'll have to start the game again.
Take this, dear. Ayush, why don't you listen to us?
It's okay. He was playing his game.
Okay, now leave that aside. Have this.
No, Mummy. I don't want to eat right now.
Please have some, dear.
I'm not hungry, Mummy.
Have a little portion.
Why the same stuff every day? I'm bored of it now.
Ayush, this is healthy. Even Dad has this.
I don't want to eat right now. I'm not hungry.
Pink floss.
Mummy,
Anyone pink
Give me
floss?
20 rupees, please. I'll buy sugar candy with that.
No, Ayush. No sugar candy every day. Or else you'll have a tooth problem. No, dear.
No, Mummy. I want to eat it. That's it. Please give me.
Please give him. He won't budge.
So my dear son needs 20 rupees. Take this.
Thank you, Papa.
Our parents shower a lot of love and attention on us, especially during our childhood, and they take care of every little thing that we need in our life. They sacrifice their needs, but never let us suffer. Most of the time, what happens is we mistake their love as their duty. We end up thinking that they're supposed to do this. It's their duty.
Raju, where do you stay?
I stay in nearby slum.
And where do you get this sugar candy from?
This one. Actually, my mom prepares this at home. Then I pack them at home and sell them.
At home? I want to see how it's made. Will you please show it to me?
Okay. I need to push off now to sell all of these. But I'll surely take you home tomorrow.
Alright, let's meet tomorrow. Okay, bye.
Pink floss. Anyone pink floss?
Yeah, let's go shopping tomorrow. At what time? Okay, 4 p.m. then. Yes, we'll buy that.
Mummy, Mummy, please listen
Yes?
to me.
Okay, I'll talk to you later. Tell me, Ayush.
Mummy, I want to see how sugar candy is prepared. I'm going to Raju's place.
But he hasn't come today, right?
Yeah, but I know where he stays. He stays in the nearby slum. I'll manage, Mummy.
All right, don't go alone. Take Suresh with you. Suresh, please accompany Ayush.
Okay, madam. Let's go. But Ayush, tell me, where does your new friend stay?
He stays nearby.
Okay.
Uncle, there's a boy who sells sugar candies. Where does he stay?
Just ahead.
Let's go.
Okay. Where is it?
It's nearby, Suresh.
I'm very tired, Ayush, Papa.
We'll be reaching in
My
no
legs are
time.
aching.
Keep walking.
I need to sit. Walk slowly, dear.
Hi, Raju.
Huh? Hey, how come you're here?
Yes, my friend. Raju, why didn't you come to sell sugar candies today?
Actually, my mom is not well. That's why I had to stay with her. And she also couldn't prepare the pink floss. That's why I couldn't come. Mom! Mom? Mom, please have this. Mom, please eat something.
No, my son.
Mom, please have.
Okay. Who is this boy?
He's my friend.
Okay. Enough, son. No more.
Mom, have little bit. Mom, please take some rest now.
Ayush, dear, can you please lower the volume? I'm having a very bad headache.
Mummy, why don't you rest in your room? I want to listen to my favorite songs.
Ayush, please give me some water. Ayush, please.
Oh no, Dad! I lost the game just because of you. I'll have to start the game again.
Hey, why are you leaving?
You take care of Auntie. I'll come later. Bye.
What happened?
Nothing, big brother.
After Ayush saw Raju taking care of his mom, he really felt very, very ashamed of himself. When we start feeling that our parents' love is nothing but their duty towards us, and rather than requesting them, we start ordering them. And this is where we actually make the biggest mistakes of our life. And a lot of people do not even realize that they are doing a mistake. And when they do, it's already very late to be corrected. But Ayush had realized his mistake at the very right time in his life.
This back pain. This back pain is...
Mummy?
Yes?
What happened, Mummy?
Nothing. I was just cooking a meal.
You come
Hey,
with me.
wait.
Come.
Listen to me.
Come with me,
Where
Mummy.
are you taking me, Ayush?
Please come with
Ayush,
me.
what happened?
Oh, just come with me. You please take rest.
But why, my dear?
Do as I say, Mummy.
You are so stubborn.
Just wait a minute, okay?
What are you applying, Ayush?
I am applying ointment on your back. You will be relieved of the pain. Now you take some rest. You'll feel better.
Roshni? Dear, please get me some water.
Papa, water.
So you're back, huh?
Where were you, Roshni?
I was taking some rest. I had severe back pain.
Roshni, tell me what happened to Ayush suddenly. The same boy didn't want to listen to anything that we said. And today he's taking care of us?
I know. Even I am so surprised. I don't know what happened all of a sudden.
Madam, ever since Ayush had visited his friend's place, I've noticed he has changed a lot. And now he doesn't call me by my name. In fact, he calls me Big Brother.
Is it? Who is this boy?
Oh, the same boy who comes to sell sugar candies? They have become very good friends. And Ayush had been to his place today.
Then we should definitely meet that boy once. After all, our only son has changed this much. Ayush?
Yes, Papa.
Won't you introduce me to your new friend, dear?
Really, Papa? You want to meet him?
Yes, dear. Let's go to meet him tomorrow.
Thank you, Papa. That's it, Papa. We have reached.
Okay, so your
Yes.
friend stays here?
Yes.
Okay.
Papa, he lives here.
What is your friend's name?
Raju. He stays here. You please wait here. I'll go and call him.
Okay.
Raju! Raju, my papa is here. Papa, he's my friend Raju.
Hello, Raju.
Hello, sir.
My dear Raju, Ayush has learnt a lot from you. And yes, he was mentioning that you don't go to school.
Yes, because my mother is not feeling well. That's why.
Look, dear. You have gifted us a wonderful thing that is priceless. And now it's time for a return gift. We really want to give you something. And yes, you don't worry about your mother's treatment. I will take care of all the expenses. And Raju, this one is for you.
Open it, my friend. School uniform.
Yes, dear. From tomorrow onwards, you will also be going to school like Ayush. Okay?
Friends, parents' love is as endless as the ocean. But have we become so selfish that we can't offer even a glass of water, even though they sacrifice their wishes for us? Ayush realized and corrected his mistake. And please, you don't do the same mistake.